Hi student, welcome to Cerebral Knowledge Foundation class. Today we'll focus on English language. Before we start our class today, just a reminder to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification icon so you'll be able to be aware of new videos that are posted on my channel. Let's begin. We'll talk about affix today. Do you know what is an affix? No worry, we'll take a closer look. This is an addition of a word that helps to modify and/or create another word. Can you think of a word or words that help to modify or create another word? No need to worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify those words. Let's take a closer look. It is also a letter or group of letters. Affixes are applied at the beginning or end of a word, ultimately forming a new word. The new word will also have a different meaning. We will focus on two types of affix: prefix and suffix. Let's begin with prefix. A prefix appears at the beginning of a root word, while suffixes refers to affixes that appear at the end of a word. Let's look at some common affixes. The first one is this, dis, which means against. For example, anti-war. Let's take a look at un, which is not. For example, unsafe. Let's take a look at ly, characteristic of. An example is quickly. ing, present participle verbs. Example, jumping. Another one is re, which means again. An example of this is rewind. The last one we have listed here is ed, which is past tense verb. And an example of this is hopped. Let's take a closer look at a few more examples. First, we will look at a few examples of prefixes. The first one is anti, which means against. Second is semi, half. Sub, which means under. None, which means not. Pre, which means before. Mid, which means middle. Re, again. Inter, which means between. Dis means opposite of, and on means not. As you can see, prefixes appear at the beginning of a root word. Let's take a look at a few more examples so we can have a better understanding of affixes. These examples are suffixes. The first example is full, or y, means full of, less, without, meant, condition of being, S or ES, more than once. EN, made of. ED, past tense. Another example is able or IBLE, which means can be done. OUS, filled with. And another example is NESS, NESS, which means being or with. The last example we have listed here is ER or EST, which means more. Hope you have a better understanding of the different types of affixes and the examples presented here. Let's recap what we have learned so far. All right, as you can see, we have affix listed at the top, in the middle, and we have prefix and suffix. At the end, we have FIX, which is fixed. What does this mean? This means root or stem. At the top, we have AF, which means in addition to. And in the middle, we have pre. What does pre mean? It means before, at the beginning. SUF, which is suff, means after or at the end. Hope you have a better understanding and can easily identify affix, prefix, and suffix. As a reminder, affix is an addition of a word that helps to modify and or create another word. Prefix appears at the beginning of a root word, while suffixes appears at the end of a word. Thank you for watching. Just remember to subscribe, hit the notification icon, like, and comment. So I'll be able to make more educational videos for you. See you soon.